Alright, there we go. Do you think you can do that?
Probably.
Ooh. That's easy.
You can't just always do tiny rocks, right?
Alright.
Shut up.
Who's it go? It was like this, right? That's balanced. You just hit it right there.
That's actually a really shiny rock.
No, it's not. Yeah, it's like it's a rock.
Yeah, it's still shiny.
It was this one, right? Yeah, I'm just recording because I have my own YouTube channel.
Cool.
I started on April 1st. It's like a prank channel. Ooh, wait. Where's the one you put?
Dude, it's not gonna work like that. I don't think physics really works like that.
There we go. I'll go like that. I'll go like that too.
Oh no. You failed. You're still failing.
There we go. Oh.
Physics doesn't work like that.
Okay, does this look like crust from the earth?
Huh?
Does that look like crust from the earth?
I think so. It has multiple layers. Just like that one. That one has multiple layers. That one. Alright. Is it that one? Yep. Crap, man. It's still touching.
Dang, Carly. Oh my god. You trying to make them ball on me?
Yep. Okay. Isn't that literally the game?
Yes.
Exactly. So was that one?
Oh man, look at it. Look over here and look. It's barely touching yours.
It was that one?
Yes. Oh. Dang. Don't win.
Hmm?
Where's the win?
Wait, what?
Said it was the win.
Ollie, you need to learn how to tell a story, bro. We've been here for 20 minutes. Everybody start
Hey, you see that rock right there? Can you throw it at it? It's almost breaking.
Which one?
This one. Here. Throw it at this. This part.
I watched it. We don't know what happened to that. Start talking!
And we have 4 extra pieces. There we go.
Which one?
I fixed it.
Which one?
So it was my turn. Yeah. No, wait. Yeah, it's your turn now. Just remember I put a rock.
Which one?
What happened? What the fuck is that?
I was trying to make it harder, but
I'm not trying to make it harder. I'm trying to make it fall.
Start rolling.
they're trying to make me make it harder.
There we go.
Come on, goddamn close. Hey, get back here, dirty thief.
I don't want to touch his shit.
Yep, it's still recording.
How did you miss?
Dang, we went to 12 minutes and 26 seconds in this game.
It's really not that hard, though.
Yeah. But this game has to be, you have to be really smart to do this. I'm glad you're smart.
Not really.
Ain't nobody cared. She's dead now, ain't she?
Oh, I see a flat rock.
Wait, hold on.
Ooh.
Hold on.
Now I have to touch 2 rocks, right?
Yeah.
Oh, really? You ruined my chance. I was gonna find a very straight rock, very pointy rock, and slide it through.
That looks like an arrowhead.
There we go. Oh, this is gonna be hard because you can't break it.
Actually, wait. I saw a certain rock.
Mickey is a little. Your dad never explained. Good. You don't deserve a dad. He wouldn't have fucked you anyway. Good. Okay. Molly. Let's be fucked with. Let's No, wait.
And I just tell you, I find a flat rock that you could use. It's somewhere around here.
No, I'm trying to make it harder for you.
Okay. You're trying to find a flat. You're trying to maybe find a flat rock, but heavy, right?
These homemade bombs are not the shit. They aren't. Were they the stink bombs or were they the kids trying to get steak on my son? Homemade bombs. We're not it.
That looks like a makeshift dinner plate.
see what I'm trying to do, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm actually just gonna place another one on top of that, so like.
this will be our theme, but we need to party with well.
If you want to make it flatter, you have to bring it like outside. Why's your finger blue?
Alright. Alright, there. Oh, wait, is it touching it? There we go.
Just barely.
Is that hard?
No. I just have to find the right.
Ooh, wait. No, I want to change. I just find the perfect one. Tell me if you know. Put one on it.
Huh? What? That's not gonna last.
That one's from.
I already have my rock. But I'm not gonna place it on top of that.
Alright. But Murray has to touch it. Both of them.
Wait,
Oh,
what?
wait. That was the one who was right there. No,
Oh,
never mind. Alright.
it's that one.
There you go. Ooh. Hey, would this be hard? Trying to touch that one? I'm not trying to make it fall.
Yeah, but you also have to find the right shape of rock. I don't know, Megan. You have trouble finding another rock to fit that.
Alright. I'm gonna just come out a little bit high.
The thing is, you have to find the right shaped rock to fit it, and to make you not make it fall, but making it harder for you.
I didn't make all of them fall. That's good.
Yeah,
Dang it.
Yeah, you failed.
Again? Huh? Dang. That was a good game.
But I won. I totally won.
Hey, if we're gonna play tomorrow, Monday, you wanna play again?
Sure.
Alright.
I mean, I have nothing better to do, so.
Well, this is like pretty fun.